We're making crock pot white chicken chili. It's creamy, cozy, and full of flavor. We're gonna start by chopping some onion and some garlic and sauteing them in a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna add our chili powder, cumin, and oregano. We'll transfer it into our handy dandy crock pot. Then we're gonna whisk in some flour, white beans, chicken stock, green chilies, and then add our chicken. Secure the lid, set it to high for about 3.5 hours, and let it do its thing. When it's done, we're gonna shred the chicken, add it back, stir in some sour cream and cilantro, and just like that, dinner's ready. It's hearty, comforting, and somehow feels like a slow Sunday meal on a random Tuesday night. This is the weeknight dinner that actually fits real life.